factor this trinomial, x squared minus 5x minus 36. We want to factor this. So my instructions are to factor this, and the first thing we realize is we must have an x times x to get x squared. Okay? X times x is x squared. Now, we're going to write a little template over here where we have two numbers that are going to be put inside these circles. Two numbers, okay? And the product of the two numbers, we get this product from taking, well, first of all, we need to write a 1 in front of the x squared because we have one of them, don't we? And then take the 1 times the negative 36 and write negative 36. All right? So when we multiply the two numbers we're going to put in here, we're going to get a minus 36. And when we add the numbers, we're going to get this number right here. So when we add them, we get what number? Okay? So we add the numbers and get minus 5. When we multiply them, we get negative 36. Okay? Now, to get a negative 36, we have to have different signs, don't we? We need a plus times a minus to give us a minus 36, okay? So my first factor is 1 times 36, and I want the signs to be different, okay? Now this sign right here, the negative 5, is going to be the larger of the two numbers. So you have 1 and 36, okay? The signs must be different, and the 36 must have a what? See that negative? That will determine the sign of the larger number. Because when I add these numbers here, what do I get? What's 1 plus a negative 36 is a negative 35. So the fact that we're getting a negative number here means the larger of the two numbers must be negative. All right? All right, now I'm counting from 1 to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6. Okay? So if you can count the 6, you can find the two numbers we're looking for. All right? So 1 times 36, 2 times 18 is 36. 3 times, let's see, 36 divided by 3 is 12. Okay. 4 times 9 is 36. 5 times, well, 5 doesn't go into 36 evenly, does it? 5 times 7 is 35. I can't get a 36 with a 5. So I skip the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, skip the 5 and write 6 times 6 is 36. All right? Now we're going to use these two numbers here to get a minus 5. These two numbers are going to be negative 35. 1 minus 36 is negative 35. When you add these together, you get what? 16, negative 16. Here we're going to get 3 minus 12 is a negative 9. And here we're going to use these two numbers to give me my minus 5. These two numbers will cancel 0. So we're going to use 4 and negative 9. Okay? The 4 we're going to plug over here. The negative 9 we're going to put over here. All right? Now, one of the things on your final exam you may find surprising is rather than just factor this and get these two answers, they may ask you name one of the factors. In which case you could say either x minus 9 or x plus 4. So if they ask you to give me one of the factors, we're going to pick either one of these. I'll just pick the x minus 9 and write that. You could easily say one of the factors is x plus 4. So my answer here is x minus 9.